Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have the April Allure Beauty Box. The Allure Beauty Box has products that are recommended by the editors from Allure Beauty Magazine. And it recently went up to $25 a month, and that does include shipping. If you get it monthly, you can also get it for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and get discounts on that. I do have a link below if you are interested in this box. Allure Beauty Box mostly is skincare. Sometimes we get some makeup, one piece of makeup, not really a lot of makeup. So anyway, it was sealed, and when you open it, it has some tissue in there. It always has a nice little brochure, which is nice to get. It tells you about what's in the box. And let's see what's in the box. Let's see. Now, sometimes I did see a couple spoilers. And anyway, what you're supposed to get in Allure for your $25 is 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe samples. And sometimes you get a little extra, a bonus or something like that. Sometimes there is a product on the back of the brochure that'll throw in something extra, you know, so they have a little card in here, and they do send this. It says, "This Mother's Day, give the gift of beauty." They are recommending giving their box as your Mother's Day gift, which would make a nice Mother's Day gift. That's true. And then if you are a member and you go to their website and sign in, you can get different groupings of items at a discount. So they have on the back of this card our spring picks. And they do have a thing you can scan to look at if you want to. And they have like Christoph Robin, 2 products for $25 valued at, it's either 82 or 92. You know, things like that, little groupings. So very nice. I have gotten some of their specials before. And then they were doing, okay, I think, all right, this says 04. Okay, I do have version 2. It says it right here. Sometimes you might find it in her hair or somewhere up here. You know, it's very, very light. I can't always find it. So sometimes I think, are they not doing versions this month? I think last month I never saw a version on the brochure, and I never saw anybody get anything different than me. I think I could be wrong, but there's always a pretty lady on the cover. And let's see, it says dream workers. Whether you fall asleep the second your head hits the pillow, or you stay up way too late watching just one more episode, and then, you know, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, the Deputy Beauty Director, Elizabeth Siegel, she is the one that wrote that. If you are a member and you refer a friend, you'll both get $10. I know if you use my link, I don't know what I get, because I don't know that I've ever gotten anything. But anyway, that's nice. Maybe if you use my link, I'll get $10. I don't know. But all right, let's see what we've got, because we've got some good stuff in here. And I am seeing some of the things that were spoiled. So, in fact, I think I'm seeing everything that I thought would be in my box. Maybe everything. Well, I'm going to start off with this thing, because this is on the, whoops, oh, the whole thing just fell apart. It's on the back, so they are the sponsor, if you will, okay? This box is really cute. It slid right out when I held it that way. The bottom, the top, you can open the top, but you don't have to because it slides out. And inside is a razor. And this is called Flamingo. It says it's 50% off your first refill bundle if you shop at shopflamingo.com/allure. And the offer is good through May 31st. So they want you to get some blades right away. 5 blades for a really close, really smooth shave. Okay, the advertising is beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. This is how it came, and it does have 1 razor on it. It was like this until it fell out. Okay, very, very pretty. And this looks very much like a razor that I recently got. It has a nice cover on it. That's nice because of protection. So if you're gonna put it in your travel bag or something, or take it to the gym, you can put this over it to protect yourself. And then you'll push on this to change the blades. And this is a really nice looking razor. It's funny because I just bought a razor. The razor I had was so old, And the blades are so expensive. So when Ipsy or I think it was Boxycharm had one of their mega sales or whatever, it was a sale or two ago, I got the refills razor. And it's very much like this, and I like it. The handle has a magnet in it, and it hangs in your shower. The only problem I have, and it's fabulous. The blades are fabulous. It shaves so close. It's really a wonderful razor, except look at this handle. This handle has this texture to it. The refills razor that I received is all smooth. So when you've got soap on your hand, I drop it 5 times. I keep dropping it. And then when it drops, of course, the head flies off and sometimes out of the shower. And then you can't finish showering. I mean, finish shaving. So this texture is very, very nice. So I don't know. This is very nice. I like it. Okay, so it because it's on the back, I don't know if it's going to tell us the value. So that's a full size. Okay, it does. It says that it's the sponsor, and it is valued at $8. That's all. Now, you know, a lot of times razors and stuff, they're a lot higher than that. $15 for this, maybe. You know, if you go to the drugstore or even Walmart, it says this Allure Best of Beauty award-winning razor delivers a smooth, nick-free shave without any of the most common razor drawbacks. Hair gunking everything up, blah, you know, it goes on and on. We know what a razor does. Okay, so, but it says that it shaves very closely. So that's very nice. And like I said, if you go before May 31st to their website, you can get their razors at half price. So that's worth doing for sure. All right, on the same page is this. Now this is a deluxe sample. This is Commodity Book Expressive. So this is a cologne or a perfume, springtime bottled. Okay, it says that it is. Spritz the scent onto your pulse points, wrists, inner elbows, and or sides of the neck. If you're wearing it on your wrists, reapply if you've been washing your hands a lot. Okay, when you open it, it's a sample size. And you know, it's that cute little kind of sample. It's actually big. You know, it's a little bit bigger than most sample perfumes. And I'm gonna spritz it and see. It says that it smells like spring, so let's see. This is, now, Commodity Book. I have other Commodity Book products, so is that just the name, the brand? The Commodity is the brand. So what does the book mean? It doesn't mean the scent, does it? Or maybe it does, because it says something about cedarwood and sandalwood, and I seem to recall that. Anyway, it's $24 for 10 mLs, and this is 0.07 fluid ounces. Oh, 2 mLs. This is 2 mLs. So let's give it a spritz and see if I recognize it. I'm going to just spray it right onto that cardboard. It does smell familiar, so I don't know. I'm assuming the book is Commodity is the brand, book is the scent. So I've smelled it before. It's you know, it's not bad. It's just not my thing, I guess. I'm more into spicy. I like spicy scents. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, and then I'm going backwards now through the book since I was in the book that way. Well, maybe not. I'm sort of all over the place. So let's see. We've got Evita Botanical Repair Strengthening Overnight Serum. So this is a deluxe sample, as you can see. The full size is $52 for 100 mLs. This is 30 mLs. So about a little less than a third of, so that's a good value right there. Yeah, okay. And a lot of times they do give you promo codes. There's one in here also. If you want to go to their website, you can get some 15% off what you buy. So that's very nice. It says, why you'll love it. This leave-in serum treats your hair while you snooze, so you can wake up to less frizz and flyaways. Now, I could use that, but I can't put something on my hair and go to bed. I don't know. It looks like the way that the pump is, I think it's going to be like a cream. I don't think I can handle it. My hair's too fine and flat. It'll flatten it down. But I do need help with these crazy things over here, these flyaways. And I try everything. So there's botanical oils in here, avocado, sacha, whatever, work overnight. Anyway, It's nice. I probably won't use it. I do like to smell things though. It is thin. It smells like essential oils. So that is that. Evita Botanical Repair, okay? And next we have this. This is the brand Real Her. And this looks like a, it's an eyeshadow stick. In chocolate, it says. So there's the color, very dark. Why you love it. Eyeshadow sticks could not be easier to use, and this one is as foolproof as they come. I've had something similar to this by Real Her before, but I don't think I've had this color. There's the color, chocolate. Blend the chocolatey brown over your lids for a smoky, neutral look that's soft yet sexy. Perfect for a totally non-boring daytime look or classic evening style. So this is valued at $19.99. This is full size. It's nice and heavy. And there it is in there. You know, you have to twist it up. I'm not going to twist it up. I'm going to leave it the way it is right now. I do like this kind of thing. I usually use this kind of thing as an eyeliner. So I like that. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Real Her. Okay. And we have two other products. So we have Avant. This is, youch, my nail's falling off. This is full size, y'all. Okay. Now, what we know about Avant is it's a very, very lovely brand. It's extremely expensive. This is the package. Looks like it could be a deluxe sample. I had to look it up. It says 50 mLs is the full size. Value $114. So, why? This is the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. This night cream is delightfully light on the skin, which makes it great for sleeping in, even after the muggiest spring days, and you don't have to worry about it rubbing off on your pillow. While you dream, it works hard to add moisture using a trio of serious hydrators, shea butter, sodium hyaluronate, and sweet almond oil, which also makes the formula smell amazing, like an almond croissant. Okay, niacinamide smooths, minimizes pores, and fades redness. So I'm sure it has a seal. Yeah, so I can't smell it. I'm smelling that perfume is what I'm smelling. But like I said, you know, it is for your face and eyes, but this is full size, y'all. This is a deluxe sample. $114. This box has some value to it. Okay, and last but not least, one of my very favorite brands also is Rodeo, whatever you say. This is the Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. So it has the beautiful orange reddish packaging, and this is it in here. This is 30, oh, did I just see? I thought I saw 30 mLs. 50 mLs, and this is full size, and this is valued at $58. So this is, it says, this gel mask is cooling to the touch and leaves skin feeling so refreshed. Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. Now, I have used some of the Dragon's Blood products from Rodeo, and I love them, especially in summer. They're very lightweight, the ones that I have used, and I don't remember what I had. I had a tub, and you'd press the top, and it would come out just what you needed. And it was a moisturizer, and it was very nice and light for the summer. I really liked it. It says, in skincare, the word mask is often synonymous with the word mess, but Rodeo's lightweight formula is so well absorbed by the skin, exactly, that you can even use this hydrating mask as an overnight treatment for an extra boost of moisture. How's that for beauty sleep? Okay, so this box is huge value, $58. What'd I say, 114, 115? I forgot already. This was 52 for the full size, so this was 3/10 of that. What does that come out to? 15-ish dollars maybe. This was only valued at $8, the razor, which I would say if you go and buy a razor, now maybe it would come with some blades, you know, maybe that's why that would be more like $15. And then this was $19.99. So this is a high dollar box. I'll take pictures and put them on Instagram if you'd like to see this more up close. And this was a really good box. See, I like skincare, and I like getting skincare. And like I said, this was, you know, skincare and one piece of makeup. Hey, am I missing something? Because, oh, there it is. I was gonna say we should have three, you should have 3 full sizes and 3 deluxe samples. So here's our full sizes. And then actually we got 4 full size and 2 deluxe samples in this box. And sometimes that happens. The sponsor gave us a full size. So, but like I said, maybe you would go to the store and this would be with a set of maybe a blade or 2, you know, that would make it full size. But to me, that's a full size product. So anyway, thanks y'all for stopping by and seeing what I got in my Allure box. And these are the items that I did see. I don't know if I saw this. So I wonder what version 1 is, and if there's a version 3. I'll be watching other people's boxes. I usually wait till I get mine before I watch others, even though I do see some of it on Instagram. I don't go looking for the spoilers, but I do see it sometimes. So thanks y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings, and have a great day, y'all. Take care. Bye.